Java test student number 1 dot Java. Oh, sorry. Java test student number 1, Java test student number 1. So I enter the name, right? ID and the gender, taken subject 121, CSIT 111, and the mark of the two subjects. I have the result, right? Now I try to save as a second version. I save as a second version. Now I put all the declaration inside the main method. I paste, right? I throw away the static, and I throw away the static. All these are local variables. Right, this is the number 2. So I throw away all the static and the private. I throw away So I save. Oh, sorry, there's the in. This is the double. Right, save. Right? Now, if I Java test number 2, and then Java test number 2, test student number 2. So I also have the ID, right? Gender, email, CSIT 113, CSIT 121. Right? So the marks for the two subjects. So we have the same result. Now let's try to modify a little bit. Suppose here I have a method, static double, get the average of two number, a double, sorry, x1 and double x2. Now, this method is a static method. If you want, since this method is defined inside the class, no one else want to use the method. In that case, we can declare it as a private. So over here, I define the double average is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2.0. Now I return the average, right? I return the average. Now we go inside the main method. Over here, I want to get the average of mark 1 and mark 2. So in that case, I try to call the method get average of mark 1 and mark 2. So if I save, if I Java number 2, I Java number 2, so for the ID, right? Mail, CSIT 111 and CSIT 121, and then 67, 90. I have the same result. Now, I save as version number 3, version number 3. Now, I design a method, another private method. Static int get the final. of Mark 1 in the Mark 2. In the double Mark 1, double Mark 1 and double Mark 2. Now, I can define the average is equal to get the average of maybe over here I still use the x1 and x2 method. x1 and x2. Now, of course, the x1 and x2 defined inside the get final method has nothing to do with the x1 and x2 defined in the get the average method. So I get the x1 and the x2. Right? So after that, I say in final mark is equal to, I cast it with an integer, I say average plus 0.5. I want to round up the value. After that, I return the final mark. Right? I return the final mark. Now, inside the main method, I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I call a method to get the final mark. To get the final mark of Mark 1 and the Mark 2. So therefore you can see that a good design is to hide from the user how to compute of a certain data. No formula is inside the main method. This is a good main method. If you have too many formulas inside the main method, that is not a good design. You rather prefer to get someone else to give you the value in order to get the final mark, right? You don't show to other people how the final mark is computed, right? So therefore, I try to get the final mark. If I save it, if I change to version number 3, I did. So now I say version number 3. Here is a get the final mark. I change it to get final mark. So number 3, in Java, test the student. Number 3. So, right, ID, mail, and then CSIT 111, CSIT 113, and then I have a 2 mark for that. So, now I save as a version number 4. I save. Now, I try to cut these 2 methods. I cut them. I define a class called info. If all the methods are private, this is a meaningless class. So therefore, I need to change one of them to public. So if I change get final marker to public, and I let the get average remain at private, I don't show to other people how I compute the average. I only tell the user what would be the final mark if you call the get final marker method. So don't forget, these 2 methods are defined in the class called info. So in order to access to the method, you say info dot get the final mark of Mark 1 and Mark 2. So I say, so I Java version number 4, and I Java version number 4, change the number 4. So Java, so ID, right? Mail, CSIT 111, CSIT 113, the 2 mark. So we have the same result. Now I save as version number 5. I save. Assume that the method are not the static. The method are not the static. Right? The method are not the static. Now, I come down to here. So, we need to create an object of info class. How to create an object? I say info II equal to new info. After that, I access the get final mark via the object II dot get the final mark. I save. If I change to version 5, no yet. Version 5, I save. So now at Java, version number 5, and at Java test student version number 5. Okay? ID, right? New CSIT 111, CSIT 121, the mark. So we still have the result. Now I save as version number 6. I try to cut these 2 methods and put them inside the class number 6, test student number 6. So this is empty, it's meaningless. I throw it away. Now, these 2 methods are defined inside the class student number 6. And these 2 methods are not static method, right? These 2 methods are not the static method. I come down to here. If I throw away this one, if I do that, I throw away AI. If I save, if I Java number 6, Java make noise, right? Java make noise because get final is a non-static method, right? Non-static method, and this method is the defined way inside the class test student number 6. So therefore, I needed to create an object of test student number 6 class. So in that case, I will say test student number 6. So I can say TS6 is equal to new test student number 6. Now I access TS6 dot get the final mark. So I save. Now Java number 6 is correct, and Java test student number 6. So I enter, right, the ID, and then mail CSIT 111, CSIT 1 to 1. Okay, I still have same result. So this is just a start of using the object. More objects to be explored on Friday lesson. So on Friday lesson, very likely the lab number 3 will be released, right? The lab number 3 will be released, and then sometime next week, I don't know if number 3 released, if I manage to finish the scope of